Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJS Info. This video is about how to use switch formula and ifs formula. What are the main difference between switch formula and ifs formula? Which one is the best? We will see one by one. This is a simple product and category. Instead of using multiple nested if formula, simply we can use switch. How to apply it? Just type switch, then just give reference, that is D3. Then if the product is ABX, it should be 1. Since it's a text, just give in a double quote ABX, comma, it should be a 1. Like that. Again, second category BXO 2. Like that, you have to construct up to 6 category. Before closing that, if anything is missing, you just make sure that add some text like not defined. Just close it. Again, we can get the based on category, we can get product also. We can use switch. Just type switch, give reference of E3. Then if it is a 1 ABX, then if it is a 2 BXO, 6, lastly you can just mention not defined. So both way we can able to get the result. Either you can work on category or product. Next we will see how to use the formula ifs. In ifs formula, it will be working like equal to, greater than, less than. Here we just use it as a equal to formula. For that, simply type ifs, then give reference here. Then it should be equal to, we need to give text again. ABX should be 1. Again here we have to give reference equal to, for text BXO 2. Like that you have to create up to 6 category. Here every time we have to give reference, but whereas in switch there is no need for giving reference of particular cell. Only flexibility in ifs is we can use greater than, less than, equal to. That is the main advantage for using ifs formula. Before closing that, here in ifs you have to mention true. Then if not available anything, you just type not defined. If I type anything wrong, it will not be displayed any category. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching our video.